Tech IPOs are all the rage these days. Pandora, LinkedIn, Yandex, Renren, they all went public to much fanfare, but their stocks quickly lost ground until now. Shares of Pandora up 15% over the past 5 days and have jumped more than 7% in the early going today. Pandora could be getting a lift from comments Dish Network CEO Joseph Clayton made to the New York Times about being interested in acquiring Pandora as well as Hulu and Sirius. LinkedIn stock isn't looking too shabby either. It's up nearly 7% in the past week and up a little more than 1% so far today. Shares of Russian search giant Yandex, which surged more than 55% on its debut, are up about 4% in early trading. And it's a pretty broad rebound. Even data storage firm Fusion.io stock is up more than 9% today. Only Renren, China's version of Facebook, remains under pressure, with its stock still marginally lower. Still, the overall recovery could be a sign that talk about a tech IPO bubble may be overblown. For now, from the floor of the NASDAQ, I'm Patricia Wu for CNN Money.